Web browsing, the essentials. How much personal data do you share when using the internet? If you think about it, you might be surprised. Do you shop online? Have you ever applied for a financial product like a loan or a credit card? Do you share pictures online? Or even tell a weather site what city you're in for a customized forecast? This is all personal data. If you share personal data with an unsecured or fraudulent website, anyone could intercept and read it. The good news is that there are some simple ways to check if the website you're using is secure and genuine. Firstly, look at the address. Secure web pages start with HTTPS. The S is the important part, as it means secure. If the S is missing and the page only has HTTP, then it's not secure. Be aware that the S on its own is not a guarantee that the site is safe, but if it is missing, you should avoid it at all costs. It's also important to look at how the web address is constructed. Imagine that you're visiting your bank to check your balance, and the website is yourbank.com. If you then receive an email stating that it's from your bank, which asks you to visit yourbank.loginhere.com, would you still think that it's genuine? The section before the .com tells you the actual name of the site you are visiting. So while you might think you're visiting yourbank.com, you're actually visiting a fake site which has nothing to do with your bank at the address loginhere.com. Remember, the personal data that you share online is valuable. Check that the sites you visit start with HTTPS and check that the web address is genuine. These steps will help to keep you safe online.